So, if you didn't like how long the last video was that you watched, you're in luck today. This is going to be a nice, easy, short one, because next time we're mostly going to continue working with electron configurations, making sure we got those down, because again, electron configurations are going to tell us about the reactivity of atoms. Really, all that matters about the electron configurations in terms of reactivity are the valence electrons. What are valence electrons? They are the outermost electrons. Only the outermost electrons are going to be the ones that involve for reactivity, so we don't care about any of the ones inside. Take a look at that atom down on the bottom right there. See if you can figure out what it is. Take just a minute, look at your periodic table. So, that atom we see has a total of 6 electrons, which makes it carbon. Only the 4 outer ones are going to measure for reactivity. They're going to be the furthest energy level out. We care because these are the electrons that are gained, lost, or shared during chemical reactions. So we can look at the valence electrons by looking just at the electron configuration that we write out. For example, on the electron configuration of fluorine, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. We only care about the 2s2 and the 2p5. Those are the outermost electrons. We can also draw that with something called a Lewis dot structure. On Lewis dot structures, only the valence ones are shown. Let's take a look at a few examples. So, hydrogen here. Let's see, let me go ahead and pull up a pen and change the size. That should be enough. Hopefully should be enough, we'll find out. Hydrogen has, going to the periodic table, 1 valence electron. So we're going to put 1 electron right there. How many does helium have? It's going to have 2. So we're going to put 1, and then we're going to put 1 over here on the bottom. 2. Nitrogen. So, turn to your periodic table. How many electrons does nitrogen have? Go ahead and pause the video while you look at that. So, nitrogen has a total of 7, but how many are valence? How many are in the outermost energy shell? Well, we can just count across the periodic table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. We'll practice this some more in class next time. Just want to get you used to it. And then the last one that we have here is K. K is potassium. Potassium, it's another of those elements that doesn't start with the letter that is similar to how its English translation is. So go ahead and turn to your periodic table and look up potassium. It's number 19, which means it has a total of 19 electrons. But if we follow our electron configuration, how many are valence? Turns out just 1. So potassium is going to have a similar reactivity to hydrogen because it's got the same number of outermost electrons. And that's going to do it for today. Enjoy your weekend.